Let's make this tropical detox sipper that is sweet, zesty, and cooling and perfect for summer. Let's make it. For today's juice, I'm gonna add cucumbers, pineapple, kiwis. I'm gonna start by washing my fruits. Baking soda. I've never had these before, but I'm gonna try them. Thank you. It tastes good, man. I love it. So for this one, I'm gonna juice it. Okay, I'm not gonna use the blender today. Ginger, lemon, fresh mint, all natural, no enhance. Oh my God. Grab your ice. Garnish. Time for the taste test. Enjoy. Now it's time for my taste test. Talk about flavor, man. Talk about your taste bud I go happy, and your belly I go happy, your skin I go happy, everything just I go happy. Try this juice, man. Very good drink. Cheers to the weekend. Don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're making juice this summer, beating the heat. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.